Welcome to Trip Hack Hub, where we help you travel smarter, spend less, and experience more. Let me ask you something. Have you ever landed after a long-haul flight feeling completely wrecked? Dry skin, stiff legs, zero sleep, and now you still have a full day ahead? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the truth. Long flights don't have to feel like survival mode. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete, step-by-step long-haul economy survival system built from real travel hacks that actually work. We're covering what to wear, what to eat and drink, how to stay clean, how to actually sleep, and how to stay organized and comfortable for 10 plus hours. Let's turn your next flight into something you can actually handle. Clothing and footwear. Dress smart, travel smarter. Most people completely underestimate this part. What you wear on a long flight can either make you comfortable or make you miserable for 14 hours. Think of your outfit as your first travel hack. Planes go through temperature swings, hot during boarding, freezing mid-flight, then warm again before landing. Start with a light base layer, something breathable that won't trap sweat. Then layer up, a zip-up hoodie or lightweight jacket so you can adjust easily without taking everything off. Avoid jeans, seriously. They restrict movement and get uncomfortable fast. Instead, go with joggers, stretchy travel pants, or anything loose and soft. Compression socks are a game changer for long flights. They help prevent swelling, reduce fatigue, and improve circulation, especially on flights over 6 hours. Shoes matter too. Go with slip-on, closed-toe shoes. Your feet will swell and tight shoes become painful quickly. And always wear clean socks, especially if you plan to take your shoes off. Quick question, are you team window or team aisle? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious where everyone stands. Finally, minimize what's in your pockets. Sitting on bulky items for hours equals guaranteed discomfort. Use a small pouch for your essentials instead. Food and hydration, the most overlooked flight hack. Airplane cabins are extremely dehydrating, and dehydration is the main reason you feel exhausted after flying. Step 1. Bring an empty water bottle through security and fill it before boarding. Then sip consistently, not just when you feel thirsty. If you're landing and going straight into a busy day, add an electrolyte packet. It makes a big difference in recovery. Food-wise, keep it simple. Avoid salty snacks, heavy meals, and anything unfamiliar. They can mess with your digestion mid-flight. Instead, bring protein bars, crackers, and dried fruit. Reliable, easy, and gentle on your stomach. Avoid nuts. They're a common allergy risk on planes. If you get motion sickness or stomach discomfort, ginger chews or ginger ale can help a lot. And limit caffeine and alcohol. Tempting, but both dehydrate you, disrupt sleep, and make you feel worse after landing. Cleanliness. Stay fresh in a not-so-fresh environment. Airplane seats and tray tables aren't the cleanest places. One of the easiest travel hacks, bring unscented wipes. Wipe down the tray table, armrests, seatbelt, and screen. It takes 30 seconds and makes a difference. Avoid strong colognes or perfumes. Not everyone wants to smell that for 10 hours. Bring a small bag for trash. It keeps your space organized. Use hand sanitizer before eating and after touching shared surfaces. Masks are optional, but useful during boarding or crowded moments. Before landing, do a quick refresh. Face wipes, brush your teeth, or use mints, and change into a clean shirt. You'll feel like a new person. Sleep strategy. The difference between surviving and arriving ready. First thing when you board, set your phone to your destination time. It mentally prepares your body. Night flight, try to sleep as soon as possible. Day flight, manage light exposure and limit screen time. Seat choice matters. Window for fewer interruptions and better sleep, aisle for easier movement but more disturbances. Avoid bathrooms and galleys. Use the essentials, a blackout eye mask, earplugs or noise-canceling earbuds, and a neck pillow to support your head. Pro tip, buckle your seatbelt over your blanket or hoodie so flight attendants don't wake you during checks. And don't pull an all-nighter before your flight. Slight adjustment beats total exhaustion. Entertainment and tech. Always have a backup plan. Never rely on airplane entertainment. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Download everything before your flight. Movies, Netflix shows, YouTube videos, podcasts, and music. Charge all devices, and bring your own cables and a power bank in your carry-on. Older planes may not support modern headphones. Be prepared with an adapter or wired backup. Wait until cruising altitude to use earbuds. It helps avoid ear pressure discomfort. Important travel hack. Set up your eSIM before you fly. This is where most travelers make a costly mistake. They land in a new country and suddenly realize no data, no Google Maps, no Uber, no way to message their hotel, no way to translate anything. You're standing in an airport, tired and jet-lagged, scrambling for Wi-Fi just to figure out your next move. That's not how you want to start your trip. Here's the smarter move. Set up an eSIM before you even leave home. What is an eSIM and how does it work? An eSIM is a digital SIM built right into your phone. Instead of swapping physical SIM cards, you simply download a plan, scan a QR code, or install via an app, then activate it in your phone settings. That's it. No stores, no airport kiosks, no language barriers. The moment you land and turn off airplane mode, you're connected instantly. Why this is a must-have travel hack. Having data right when you land means you can open maps immediately, call a ride in seconds, contact your hotel, check bookings, navigate public transit, and avoid getting lost or overpaying for taxis. It turns a stressful arrival into a smooth one. And here's the big one. Roaming charges from your home carrier can be insanely expensive. eSIMs are usually a fraction of the price, especially for short trips. What we personally use, we've tested a lot, and our go-to providers are Airalo and Saili. Reliable, easy to set up, and they cover most countries. Quick tip, install and activate your eSIM before your flight, but only turn it on when you land so you don't waste any data time. Quick heads up, and how you can support the channel. We've put links to the best eSIM providers, along with other travel tools we use, in the description below. If you decide to use those links, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but we may earn a small commission. That support helps us keep this channel running and continue making helpful travel videos for you. Let me know in the comments, do you already use an eSIM when you travel, or are you still relying on roaming? Now, movement and timing. Stay ahead of discomfort. Bathroom tip, go right after meals. Lines are shortest then. If there's a line, wait 10 minutes, it usually clears. And don't wait until it's urgent. Turbulence can make things tricky. Sitting still for hours is tough on your body. Every couple of hours, rotate your ankles, stretch your legs, and adjust your position. It makes a huge difference. Aisle seat, stand up when you can. Window seat, plan your movement breaks to avoid too many disruptions. Organization, make everything easy to reach. Pack a small pouch with phone, earbuds, lip balm, snacks, meds, and wipes. Keep it under your seat. Everything else, power bank and extra layers, can go around it in your main bag. Always keep passports and electronics in your underseat bag, just in case your carry-on gets checked. Flight flow strategy. Simple breakdown coming up. Before boarding, dress right, charge devices, organize essentials. Boarding, set your clock, get comfortable, hydrate. Early flight, eat light, clean your space. Mid-flight, sleep, stretch, stay hydrated. Before landing, freshen up, prep your connection. Entertainment, rely on your downloads, not the plane. Final thoughts. Long-haul flights don't have to be miserable. With the right strategy, you can stay comfortable, rested, and ready when you land. Now I want to hear from you. What's your best travel hack for long flights? Drop it in the comments. Your tip could help someone else. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Trip Hack Hub for more travel hacks. Now check out this next video. It's the one most travelers wish they watched before their last trip.